Chapter 6 Supper Buddies. What are you guys doing?
We're practicing our superhero poses.
You know that the bad guys are here, right?
Yeah. Hi, bad guys. Hi.
Hi!
Don't worry about him! He's our enemy! And any enemy of ours shall soon be annihilated. What do you have to say to that?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
An airplane.
An airplane who?
An airplane pooped on your eyebrow.
Well, here's a funny story. Once there were three evil villains who built a giant brontosaurus that had a killer death ray. Show 'em.
Hey, you were right. That was a funny story. Stay the blank night. Now's our chance to save our friends. Ready? Go!
Shing shing. Slice. We're falling! We're still falling!
And I'm about to crash into the ground.
Poof. Plop.
Good catch, the Bark Knight. But uh-oh. We're about to crash into that factory. Quick, step in the brake.
Well, it looks like this is the end. Yep, we're about to smash into that factory. Rats! Hey, it was nice knowing you, Sarah. Same here, Chief. Good work, Millie. Thanks, Chief. It was an honor to serve behind ya. Bye-bye, Zuzu. You were a good doggy. Gee, I wonder what it will be like to not exist anymore. Well, when you think about it, none of us existed for trillions of years before we were born. And we didn't seem to mind it then. Yeah, I didn't even notice. True that. Let's not cry because we're gonna die. Let's laugh because we gotta live. Yeah. Smoosh, plip, floop, plop. Hey, we didn't get killed to death. And we get to eat yummy marshmallows. Win-win. Hey, look, it's our heroes. Hooray for somebody's! Don't celebrate just yet, 'cause we're back. It took forever, but we finally got ourselves out from under that building. And now we're gonna finish you all off with one zap of our killer death ray. So you better say goodbye.
Bye-bye, Donna.
So long, Sarah. Au revoir, Zuzu. Adios, Millie.
We love you, LHD.
Would you guys stop being too precious about everything? Go on, jab 'em. Yank.
Looks like we're gonna have a giant robo battle in Flipperama.
You know why are you helping those guys? You're a villain! Yeah, I know, but I'm trying to change. Oh, really? Well, how's this for a change?
Hey, Mr. Piggy Man.
What?
Knock, knock.
What is wrong with you? Why do you keep telling those stupid jokes?
Because it's distracting.
Distracting? From what? No!
That's my Papa. I mean, that's P. He's tried so hard to be good.
I always knew he had a good heart in there somewhere.